All right, so let's take a look at this website, which is a client of mine. Their website is Kitchen and Bath Crate, and they do kitchen and bath remodels. And so their website's very visual, lots of beautiful photography and information that helps people out. But one of the things that they do is a before and after blog, which makes it very easy for people to kind of see all of the different projects that they've had over time. And so let's take a look at one of those. Let's just go ahead and click on it and what they're able to see. So they've got this nice photo up at the top, before and after. They have a breakdown of the project with lots of before and after photos. And one of the main reasons that I wanted to show you this website is just because of how much they use photography in their blog posts. You know, we're very visual people. We like seeing the difference between things. We like seeing photos that help us kind of visualize things. And that's definitely what they're doing here with all these before and after photos. So what they're doing here is they've got, their project. They've got a little brief introduction to the project. They've got kind of a checklist over here of things that were included in the project. And then a call to action, people that are interested in going and doing their own. Now let's take a look at one other blog variation that they do here on one of their location sites. So let's go into their actual blog feed. So these are a little bit longer form, very visual still. So we'll click on that. So we have a before and after. We have a brief introduction. We've got lots of before and afters. And then they actually do a day-by-day breakdown and then kind of a call to action. So they're using their blog in a different way, obviously, to help sell a service that they're providing. But what's very interesting about this is that they do it in a visual way with lots of photography. And when you're blogging, when you're thinking about, what you're going to write about, I really recommend trying to incorporate photos into that. They don't have to be professional photos. They just have to be a photo that helps tell the story that you're trying to tell. And I think that that's hugely important. It's one of the things that I like to try and do when I blog is use photos whenever possible. And it's what I encourage all of my clients to do when they're blogging is, try and be visual. Even be visual with your words, the way that you write and explain things. Keep in mind that you're probably trying to explain or trying to share something with people that haven't firsthand experience, what you're trying to explain. So the more descriptive, the more visual that you can be, the better. And I think, Kitchen Crate here does a great job of doing that by showing lots of photos and giving people all the information to know what they're going to expect in a process that's probably going to disrupt their home for a few days. So pretty neat the way that they do this and be visual about it. So let's take a look at one other website.